Why should you have a first aid kit? First aid kits are an essential tool to have on hand in case of an emergency or injury. They allow you to provide basic medical care until professional help arrives. What to include in a first aid kit? There are several items that should be included in a basic first aid kit: Band-Aids and adhesive tape, gauze pads and bandages, antiseptic wipes or spray, scissors and tweezers, pain relievers, such as acetaminophen or ibuprofen, instant cold packs, a flashlight, and extra batteries. How to use a first aid kit. Knowing how to properly use the items in your first aid kit can help you provide effective care in an emergency. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the instructions and use of each item. Want to learn more about first aid kits and how to use them? Sign up for the American Healthcare Academy's First Aid Certification course today.